Baba Vanga, the blind prophet. Baba Vanga was born on January 31, 1911, in a small village in Bulgaria called Strumica. Her real name was Vangelia Pandiva Dimitrova. She was born into a poor farmer's family. Baba Vanga's childhood was very difficult. She lost her mother at a young age, and her father went to fight in World War I. While her father was away, Baba Vanga stayed with her relatives. Her family was very poor, and life was hard for her. When she was 12 years old, something happened that changed her life forever. A big storm, like a tornado, picked her up and threw her far away into a field. When her family found her, her eyes were full of dust and dirt. Her eyes became infected, and soon she lost her sight completely. Even though she could not see, people believed she gained a new gift, the ability to see the future and know hidden things. When Baba Vanga was young, she moved to a village called Petrich in Bulgaria. People started visiting her because they believed she could help them. Baba Vanga was famous for finding lost things, helping people with problems, and predicting the future. Soon, people from other countries came to see her too. Everyone wanted her advice and trusted her words. Baba Vanga started to talk about big events, not just personal problems. She predicted wars, natural disasters, and world changes. During World War II, she said what would happen in the war and how Europe would change after it. Later, during the Cold War, she talked about two big powers fighting each other but never having a full war. One of Baba Vanga's most famous predictions was about September 11, 2001. She said, "Two steel birds will fall on America." Many people think this was about the attacks on the World Trade Center in New York. She also predicted the collapse of the Soviet Union, the tragic death of Princess Diana, and the 2004 tsunami in Asia. Baba Vanga did not only talk about world events. She also made predictions about technology and science. She said people would live on other planets in the future. She talked about big progress in science, like robots helping humans and finding cures for diseases such as cancer. But she also warned about problems. For example, she said climate change would cause many disasters, and people might run out of clean water. Some people believed Baba Vanga had special powers, but others thought her predictions were just lucky guesses. Scientists studied her life but did not find proof that she could really see the future. Even so, her story is interesting, and many people still believe in her predictions. Baba Vanga died on August 11, 1996, at the age of 85. After her death, her predictions became even more famous. Books, documentaries, and movies were made about her life. Many people still talk about her predictions that have not happened yet and wonder if they will come true. Baba Vanga's life was full of challenges, but she became famous all over the world. Even though she could not see, she helped many people and inspired them. Whether her predictions were real or not, Baba Vanga's story shows how one person can make a big impact. She will always be remembered as a mysterious and powerful figure in history.